Hello, today I'll be showing you how to use the website app and how it is integrated with the inventory. So firstly, I'm gonna display my inventory by going to products and product variants. And here it'll display all the products I have currently, with the quantity on hand and the forecasted quantity. And I'm gonna select the customizable desk with the steel legs and white color. With $750 cost of mount and 45 quantity on hand with 39 forecasted quantity. And that's the item I'm going to be using today. And I'm going to go to website. I'm going to hit shop. And now it'll display my customizable desk right here with the steel legs and the white color. So now I'm going to add to my cart with one quantity. And then I'll proceed to checkout. So now I can process my checkout. And then I'm going to confirm all this correct information. And then I can pay with a wire transfer. Now this will create my order number, which is S0048. After this, now I can go back into a website. And I can go over to e-commerce and unpaid orders. So now I can navigate back to the same order that I just created, which is this one. And I can verify that the quantity is correct, which is 1, with the price and subtotal, which is correct. On the top right, I'll always display the current status in this quotation. And now I can confirm this after verifying all the information is correct. So now the order status has changed from quotation sent to now sales order. So now I'm going to be creating an invoice for this order. I can set the down payment amount to 50%. Now I can click on create. And now it will show me a draft of the customer invoice stating that now that they have paid $337.50, but they still owe another $337.50. So now I can confirm this information is correct by clicking this confirm button and having now this change from draft to posted as the current status of this invoice. Now I'm going to send and print by clicking this button on the top left. I'm going to start sending the email by clicking the button on the top left. Which will load me up the email which I will be sending out for the invoice, saying the order number, the amount paid, with the invoice for it, or the amount owed, I should say. And now I'm going to send it after I verify all the information is correct. And now I can click pay. And I'm gonna verify all the information that's correct on the far right is correct. The order number, the journal, and the payment method. And I can click create payment. And now I can verify that it is paid because now this message pops up. So now I can go over to back to website and e-commerce and then orders. And verify that there's nothing to invoice from my most recent, the one I just worked on. Now I'm also gonna go display the current inventory by going back to inventory, products, and product variants. Now I can verify that the forecasted quantity went from 39 to 38, which is what is ordered. In which now I can go back to inventory and delivery orders. And then by finding the one that I just done right here, which is the same order number, now I can change this. And now I can validate that order has been completed by clicking validating. Now it'll change from ready to done, along with this new message right here that says this has been shipped. So now I can go back to products, product variants, and display my current inventory again. Now if I look at the customizable desk with the steel leg and the white color, I can now see that my on-hand quantity has changed from 45 to 44, along with my forecasted quantity. Thank you.